Thank you for coming to this UN Ocean Decade Clean Ocean Lab satellite event, Observing Air-Sea Interaction Strategy, or Oasis, for a Clean Ocean. I'm Christa Marandino, and along with Megan Cronin and Seb Swart, am a co-chair of the Oasis Score Working Group, and we are taking a systems as a whole approach for making surface and boundary layer observations that are relevant to Earth's energy, water, and biogeochemical cycles. Oasis was endorsed as a UN Ocean Decade program and has teamed up with the Surface Ocean Lower Atmosphere Study, or SOLAS, to convene this satellite activity. As we all know, the human footprint is reaching historically pristine places, such as the open ocean. I show you here just a few examples of this: the spread of surface ozone pollution, the occurrence of harmful algal blooms, and the reach of the global shipping industry. These topics and many others have a key air-sea interaction component. And this UN lab is a crucial but relatively unique opportunity to allow for the air-sea interaction community to reflect on how our traditional scientific topics interface with ocean pollution and hazards. To facilitate this process, we have convened this program with the aim to develop a roadmap for how observations and understanding of air-sea interactions can support a clean ocean through the use of community discussion. This community discussion should include as many stakeholders as possible. This event has 3 sessions with associated main questions. The first session is about impacts of marine pollution. We ask here, what are the effects of pollution on air-sea biogeochemical processes, harmful algal blooms, and other processes? In session 2, we look at the techniques used to observe and understand marine pollution, and here we ask, what are the observational, both remotely sensed and in situ, and model tools used to support a clean ocean, and what's missing? In session 3, we explore an Oasis strategy for a clean ocean. We ask, what specific steps should the UN Ocean Decade Oasis program take to support a clean ocean? We hope to engage you all in discussion on these topics here today and try to use this discussion to develop the roadmap for Oasis, SOLAS, and other air-sea interaction interested folks to move forward. At the end of this event, we hope to summarize the main action items for this decade and beyond. So one final point to support the discussion on Oasis for a Clean Ocean. This is our Oasis organizational chart showing how we seek to work with community members across 5 theme teams. Each of these themes, developing the network and model design, capacity building and sharing, the UN Ocean Decade, best practices and interoperability, and fair data, model, and Oasis products can be tapped to support a clean ocean, but we need engagement from the community to help us learn how. And before we get on with the event, I would like to say thank you very much to the organizers, moderators, and speakers that made this event happen. You can see them all here. Also, please remember that there are 2 airings of this event on the 18th of November at 1700 CET and 19th November at 2 o'clock CET. There is a poster session and a networking activity in Gathertown for 1 hour before and after both airings. Please stop in and visit the posters and meet with your colleagues. There's a link and a password posted in the chat. So I hope you enjoy this event, and thank you.